If your website isn't ranking, the problem might not be your content. It could be hidden technical SEO issues silently killing your traffic. What if you could scan your entire website, find over 200 SEO problems, and fix them in just one click? That's exactly what SEO Pilot is designed to do. And in this video, I'll show you how it works and whether it's worth it. So what is SEO Pilot? SEO Pilot is an all-in-one SEO audit and auto-fix tool that scans your website, finds hidden ranking issues, and fixes them automatically. No coding or technical SEO skills needed. It's designed for bloggers, affiliate marketers, agencies, and website owners who want better rankings without using expensive monthly SEO tools. And the best part, it also helps optimize your website for AI search platforms like ChatGPT and AI overviews. First, you get a full website SEO audit. SEO Pilot scans your site for issues like missing titles, broken links, schema errors, and heading problems. Second, the one-click auto-fix feature. Instead of manually fixing every page, you can apply bulk fixes instantly across your website. Third, Google Search Console integration. You can track clicks, impressions, CTR, and rankings directly inside the dashboard. And finally, AI search optimization. SEO Pilot structures your content to improve visibility in AI tools and next-gen search engines. Pros: beginner-friendly interface, one-time payment, one-click SEO fixes, works on multiple platforms, AI search optimization included. Cons: launch price may increase soon. Advanced features are inside upsells. When you grab SEO Pilot through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300 plus premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. These bonuses are available only through the link in the description. If you want to fix hidden SEO issues and improve your rankings automatically, click the link in the description below. You'll get SEO Pilot at the launch discount plus the exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. This is a limited time launch deal, so make sure you grab it before the price increases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.